Hello everyone, it's nice to have you around. My name is Topper Ojo. I'm the founder of RelyFX, and it's my opportunity and my privilege to welcome you to this channel. RelyFX is strictly out to help to demystify Forex trading, as it were, and to also provide you with all the necessary information you need to become profitable in this business. I started trading 15 years ago, and I would say I was I'm largely self-taught. Self-taught meaning that I really did not have anybody to take me by the hands and explain to me the nitty-gritties of the business. And as a result of that, obviously I had to learn a lot of things by try and error, and that took a long time. So my aim with this channel is to provide you all the things you would need to help you make the journey to becoming profitable faster, to bring to the fore the knowledge I've gained over the years, and also to help someone out there that is already struggling with their trading, and it seems as if you don't really know what you're doing, you are almost at the point of giving up. The aim is to provide you with succor, provide you with the necessary information and help along your trading journey. So we're going to be releasing a lot of videos, a lot of content to help you with understanding the different dimensions of the market, talking about technicals, talking about fundamentals, talking about psychology, money management. There's so many dimensions and so many sides to Forex trading. All right, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel and like, share with someone. You never know who this is going to help, and by God's grace we're going to be releasing the videos consistently and on a weekly basis as much as we can, to ensure that you will become a significant part or a relevant part of your trading journey. All right, stay tuned and have a great time with us.